75% of my money.
I think em live here. Okay, bye bye.
Em live here because Mun Kon Ko. You're gonna hop over there and go and get crabs. Ôi trời ơi. Very crab. Anyway, this is the tree. This is the spot where I proposed, and now I'm back on my honeymoon 6 months later. Under this tree here. Here, hey darling. Here. Yeah. Proposed now marry. Now no single. No single. Xin lỗi boy. Xin lỗi nam. Now no single.
I think em anh living here. Okay.
Live here, sleep here, eat crab. Okay. Raise a hand. Ôi trời ơi. Hey. Crazy biting. Now. Ôi trời ơi.
You want biting same.
Only gun, no name. Heiser.
If you want biting.
Heiser.
Yeah.
Down.
No, you're complaining about not having any money though, which is not uncommon. Like it's not an uncommon thing.
Alright.
Adults do it. I'm just saying, there's always opportunities for money.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
What are you saying? You gotta work for money.
Work,
Oh
yeah.
jeez.
Work hard for your money.
That's
It's not a catchy song.
that's because we're in Vietnam. In Australia, you get
Because
it
you're
for free.
16. What?
In Australia, it's free.
What?
Yeah.
Money.
Yeah.
Enough for your life. Enough.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay. 1. 1, 2, 3.
So you made it this time, Mum.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks for coming on my honeymoon.
But I'm underneath
And my
the tree.
proposal.
I'm underneath the tree and no one's proposed to me.
Oh, no one's proposed under the tree.
I'm under the tree and no one's proposed to me. Oh, you're my son. No.
I'm your son. I'll propose to you that we go and get an ice cream. No, not right now.
We did last time.
But anyway, so Halong Bay. Ôi trời ơi. You no clean. Now wife no clean. Ôi trời ơi.